Three, two, one, 3, 2, 1, take 5. Folks, before we begin the video, I want to have a word of wisdom about a fake friend. You know who you are, folks. Folks, fake friends are like 4 quarters. They'll change for $1, folks. So you know who you are, all your fake people, fake friend, man. All right, folks. Yeah, we at the Seahawks. We're at the Seahawks. Hey, Kubiak! Is that Kubiak? Oh, shit. Yeah, I thought it was Kubiak, man. Hey, man, that's Zach Charbonnet, right? Yo, Zach Charbonnet, the Cambodian. All right, folks, we at the Seahawks. VMAC, man, Virginia Mason, man. We checking in on the, we self-check in here with the latest security with our badge. And you gotta check in also with the bike, man, the $5.99, man. This bike, I got it from Joe Biden. Remember Joe Biden, he fell off the bike. Actually, he fell off this bike on a trail, man. So his family auctioned it off for like $5.99, man. I was a lucky one to pick up Joe Biden, the one he fall on and smash his face on the concrete. Yeah, but what's up, man, folks? Yeah. Location, VMAC here in Renton, man. Yeah, we check it in, man. Let's go see what's going on, folks. Yeah, what's up, man? And you know this, man. Yeah. Let's go see some players over there, folks. Yeah. We on the trail here, man. This trail here, you can ride this. You can take this trail. The fuck, folks. You can take this trail from Bellevue all the way down to Renton, folks. Yeah, right here. So the Seahawks, the VMAC, man, Virginia Mason Athlete Center, man. Got the 12, man. The Seahawks have one, the Cambodian, half Negro, half whatever, man, French. Zach Charbonnet. Ethnicity Cambodian. Yeah, he's running back for the Seattle Seahawks, man. Shout out to Zach, man. I hope you have a breakout season, young man. Yeah, I gotta bring you some Monbok, man. Zach Charbonnet like Monbok, folks. So if you're nearby the facility, man, you can drop Zach Charbonnet some stuffed chicken wing, man. Cambodian Monbok. Yeah, what's up, man? Folks, we are passing by here, man. Yeah, we're at the practice, man. Let's interview some gentlemen right here, man. Some old-time big 49er fan. Actually, a Niner fan, right? Or Seahawks fan?
Seahawks.
All right, man. Hey, we're gonna have a great season, sir. How you doing? You done? You get some more?
I'm done, man. I'm done.
I'll sell it back for $5.
$5.
Let's go, Seahawks! Yeah, baby. Yeah, folks, we at the practice, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, I see 76 right there. Where's 76 at?
2 in on the end.
Yep. Gonna have a badass offensive line this year, huh? Top 5, I say. If healthy, yeah, folks. We're here on the bike trail at the VMAC, checking in, checking out. Wow. Put this bike down. We got a lot of Seahawks fans out here taking video. The offense wearing home jersey, the defense wearing the white jersey. Once again, folks, we're live at James Lynch Mob at the VMAX. I get a better angle this way. Yeah. Maybe I should climb the fence, huh? There you go.
Hold the camera.
No, okay. Let's go, boys! I see 76. That's a gray or gray? How do you call him? Gray? Zabel? Gray or gray?
Great.
Great. Okay, great.
Thanks, bud.
All right, man. Have a good day, man. Yeah, we go to the Super Bowl. Yep. All right, folks. We're checking out, man. We had the WeMac. Yeah. Like I say, all my Cambodian viewer, man. You wanna drop some one bulk, some stuffed chicken wing, man. You do so. What you do is you call the security. You know, call the 800 number, and you tell them, man, hey, I want to drop off some stuffed chicken wing. The Cambodian call it mon bao. And then you go to this door right here. Yeah, right there. And security will come get your hot plate of stuffed chicken wing, man. Because Zach Sharma, he eat that in his sleep, man. So Zach Sharma, man, shout out to you, man. We got more stuffed chicken wing, more mon bao for you if you have a great season, son. Can you get 1,000 yards for me, man? Break 1,000 yards, maybe like 10 touchdown. Yeah, that's what's up, man. Hey, man, can I climb the fence? I said, can I climb the fence?
Might be a bad idea.
You sure?
I'm damn sure.
All right.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Oh, you look serious, man.
Not to be, bro.
You look serious, my nigga.
What's that?
I said, you look serious, my nigga.
I don't know you should be throwing that word out like that, bro.
Huh?
You might be careful using that word like that, bro.
Are you sure? Is that a threat? Is that a threat, man?
It's a lack of respect.
Cause I'm a nigga. I ain't gotta check in with your ass, man. Man, you dismissed, man. Get out, man. I'm trying to get my shot, man. I'm trying to be cordial. You call me with a like big boy attitude, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Walk away, man.
Did I call you a name?
Hey, I'm a nigga on the street.
Don't call me that, bro.
All right, man.
Respect, right?
All right, man.
You want to be that, you be that.
All right, man. Have a good day, brother.
You don't know me, homie.
You don't know me. You don't know me either, man. You don't know me either. We don't know each other. I'm a photographer.
Don't come at me like that. You feel what I'm saying?
Yes, sir, man. Have a good day, man. Let's de-escalate, man. Hey, my bad. Hey, as a man, my bad. You good?
All good.
That's it, man. Hey,
All good.
you live and learn, man. That's it, man.
All I ask, homie.
All right, man. Try to pound his chest at me, fool. Who the hell you think you are, man? He just a crew, like, you know, like grass crew, man. Yeah, that's what's up, man. Folk, we're here at the facility, man. That's what's up, man. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, that'll be it for the Seahawks training camp, man. I'm out of here. The guy say I cannot film. I better leave or they're gonna call rent police.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, the guy over there, the black guy just came, yeah. I like, man, you can't record. Like, okay, man, I don't want to go to jail society, right? You gotta,
Not for this purpose.
and you gotta sit in jail tonight, Sunday night, and then see the judge Monday, right? That's how it works. If you go to jail on a Saturday,
Probably today, yeah.
that's a bad idea. I gotta get on my bike, get the hell out of here before the cop comes. No, I'm just joking, man. I'm just joking. Yeah, folks. Yeah. Hey, that dude trying to check me for saying the word, the N-word, nigga, man. I'm a nigga, folks. I don't give a damn who you are. I don't give a damn you, Barack Obama, man. What's up, man? He say, I don't know you. You don't know me, nigga. What you gonna do? Yeah, folks, starting to rain, man. Yeah. We got the maintenance crew from the Seahawks I was joking around, man. Can I hop the fence? He said that's a bad idea. He gave me the dirty. He gave me the dirty. He gave me the stare down. Like, what's up, nigga? Yeah. He trying to press me, man. Come on, man. Yeah. I'm gonna zoom in on his face. Who he is, man? That boy need to be checked, man. Come here with an attitude, man. Can't take a damn joke on the Saturday afternoon, folks. Come on, man. And you know this, man. That's what's up with this clown, man. So-called fake people, man. You know. Yeah. Just because you got a job at the Seahawks, you know, as a maintenance crew, man, cutting grass, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's all good. Hey, but as a man, I apologize, man, if he, you know, if he like, you know, get offended about, hey, man, hey, ain't nothing wrong with apologizing, hey, man, hey, we ain't trying to escalate into, you know, fist fight or whatever, man. So, folks, it is what it is, man. Yes, sir. I wonder where this trail lead me to, man. And you know this, man. Yeah. I gotta head out to the boat race, the Windermere. Yeah, let's do that, man. What's up, my nigga? Yeah. Beautiful afternoon, man. All right, folks. All right, man. It's just a short video, folks. Thank you for tuning in, man. We at the Seahawks. We're leaving the VMAC.